welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to save some data when you're listening to music on Spotify without Wi-Fi. So if you guys are traveling a lot or just going in your cars or working, just going to school, whatever you're doing, and you listen to a lot of Spotify music on data, this will be a great way for you guys to trim down your data bills if you guys don't have unlimited storage. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. All you have to do is go over to Spotify and open up Spotify. Once you're on Spotify here, you just want to go right here on the home page, and you want to navigate to the top right corner where you see the settings gear. Go ahead and click on that, and then just click on Data Saver at the very top. You can then enable it right up here, and basically it just says that it sets your music quality to low, equivalent to 24 kilobits per second, and disables artist canvases, just so it uses a lot less data when you're listening to music and just focuses on the music rather than everything else going on in the application. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to do this and saving data on your Spotify music. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.